First thing you're gonna do is stretch out the wings of the pheasant, lay him flat on his back. Then you're gonna step as close to the body cavity as possible, pressing up against it, but on the wing. Now the top of the wing is where all the cartilage is, so you wanna be on that part because it's the hard part that holds the bird. Well, I guess it holds it together, but they're not often pulled apart until you're doing this. So now I'm going to grab right here, and I'm gonna hold the legs tight. Be careful of the talons, they're actually pretty sharp. But you're gonna hold this, and you're gonna lift in a stern, hard, and upwards motion. Now you'll hear a pop. Now that pop, and you'll start to see the breast meat there. That indicates that you've broken through the hard part. So all you have to do now is pull the rest of the way, and all of the guts, the head, everything will come right up through the entire cavity. Now, if you're careful, you won't get it all over your new boots. Obviously, I did it perfect. You should see Jeff, there's always blood everywhere. So now, I've got this perfect breast right here. Absolutely gorgeous meat. There's some feathers in the cavity, but as you see, all the guts and everything are gone. So now all you have to do is just shear off the wings, rinse this out, and you're good to go. It's a very simple way to clean a pheasant, keeps it beautiful, gets all the meat, and man, are they good eating. Thanks for tuning in to the Green Outdoors. Stay green.